Hello, I'm Elizabeth Grant and I am your speech teacher this semester. I wanted to welcome you to the class and just give you a little welcoming remarks and let you know that I am available. So this is your homepage. You are already into the course orientation. I would suggest that you look at each of these entries, especially the calendar, which is in a printable form here. And I would expect you to have those dates ready so that you can tell when things are due because you will not be getting reminders. So do check that out. Also, I would like for you to look over the course outline, which explains how you're going to earn your points this semester. I look forward to giving lots of points. So if you would check out the course outline. And then this also talks about how you're going to earn all of your points. And then there is a short quiz over knowing this information on the course orientation. So be sure to take that this week. So also, all of the information is housed in the units. You'll see that Unit 1 is open, and there is a lot to do, but you do have 2 weeks to complete Unit 1. It's important that you gain access to Launchpad through Macmillan, your publisher, because as you can see, you have learning curves and quizzes in this chapter, in this unit, and all units. So it's important that you get that access set up, and once you do, you can click here, and it will help you learn to register. So if you have trouble, it will tell you to contact tech support. But do let me know if there are any issues with Launchpad this week. Other than that, there is discussion questions that you are expected to post in Unit 1 and all odd-numbered units. There are rubrics available for each speech. I will have those for you on speech night, so you don't have to bring in a copy. I will have that. You will be expected to bring in an outline, and here is a recipe that you can follow. If you want, you can simply highlight, copy, and paste this into a Word document and type right on it so that you'll have all of your parts. And then you're also expected to have a visual aid. You can tell that each assignment has a description here. So go ahead and look at those before speech nights. And know that you do also need to be thinking about an outside speaker to review this semester. You can pick anybody. It's best to see someone that you haven't seen before, just so you give them a clean break. And print out the rubric that you think is suitable for what you're going to have them if it's a persuasive speech, if it is more of an informative speech, print out the appropriate rubric, take it to see the outside speaker, and fill that out and submit it with a paragraph about who and what and where you went to see this person. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but it is important that you do that before the end of the course. And you can just email those materials or bring them in on a speech night. That's fine too. All speeches need a visual aid, and the first 2 speeches need to be recorded. So be sure to bring in a phone or a device that has storage so that you can do that. And afterwards, you will submit a speech reflection, which you can see are here. And they're just questions about your performance and goals for the future. So I will be following the printable calendar, and that's where you will see your due dates. You will not have reminders beyond that. So do check out this calendar and notice that you have 2 weeks to complete this first unit, but there are some deadlines within those first 2 weeks. So I am Elizabeth. I am available at eegrant@lc.edu. Only an email away. I will try to email you back the same day. So please don't be a stranger. I look forward to meeting you on speech night. But until then, don't hesitate to contact me. And good luck with the course. Goodbye.